Hey guys, today we're on our second page of our All About Me. And just to kind of review the rules or the directions, we talked about only doing 3 or 4 words on a line. Of course, you can write more than that, but you need to have at least that. And then we're writing about all different things. So you need to maybe get out your page that you did before so that you're not repeating things, okay? First one, for instance, is my family. My family loves to get together outside. I could write that. Okay, and I think all of the words you'll be good at when you get down to zeal. Okay, that means that you are excited about something. So can you pretend that that means excited? Because that's what zeal or zest. So zeal for something that you're excited about. Remember, I cannot put one word on the line. So if you have one word you want to put there, then you need to add to it, okay? 3 or 4 words. We want it to look nice because it's going to go in your memory book. So finish this page up and then you will be ready to go.